Ever had your brain freeze right when you know exactly what you want to say in English? That silent panic? Today, we're tackling the real culprit, translating instead of thinking in English.
And I think a lot of learners don't realize how much this slows them down. I'm Riya, and joining me is Rinav. We're about to show you how you can start thinking in English so you can actually speak and listen with more confidence.
You'll learn why this shift matters, which common mistakes keep you stuck, step-by-step methods to start, plus daily practice hacks. Ready? Let's break down the barriers holding you back.
I love it! Let's kick things off by exploring why translating is such a hidden problem, because it's not just about speed, but also the way your brain processes language.
Translating slows everything down. You're piecing together each sentence, and by the time you're ready, the moment's gone.
What's wild is sometimes direct translations don't even make sense, like the classic example, I have cold, instead of I am cold.
Exactly. When you start thinking in English, sentences flow more naturally. Your brain becomes less like a complicated translator and more like an actual speaker.
Plus, your confidence grows. Suddenly, there are fewer awkward pauses and less second guessing. And honestly, your listening skills jump up too because you're processing English in real time.
That actually reminds me, when you stop decoding everything, English starts to feel effortless, almost automatic.
So let's talk about the traps learners fall into. First up, relying on translation for every word and sentence.
If you always translate, your brain never gets the chance to think in English. It becomes a habit that's hard to break.
Another big one, overthinking grammar. People assume they need perfect grammar to speak, but even native speakers slip up all the time.
And then there's fear. The fear of sounding wrong stops so many people from trying.
One more, not making English part of your daily environment. If you're surrounded by your native language all day, your brain stays there.
Let's switch gears. How can someone break out of this translating cycle? Step 1. Start really small. Name things around you in English, like table, book, or window.
I love that. Step 2. Talk to yourself, out loud or silently. It sounds odd, but saying, I'm drinking coffee, or it's sunny today helps your brain build those connections.
Step 3. Use English to English definitions. Instead of translating, try to understand words in English itself.
And don't get caught up in perfection. Step 4. Keep sentences simple. I need water is better than a complicated structure you might trip over.
Another step, give yourself an English voice in your head. Ask yourself, what should I eat? Or, how was my day?
Building an English environment is key too. Listen to music, watch videos, read stories, let English surround you.
If you want results fast, daily practice is where it's at. Start your day in English. Today I will study. I'll meet a friend.
Then end your day reflecting in English. Ask yourself, what did I learn today? Even a quick mental summary helps.
Try a 30-minute challenge, no translation, only English thinking. Push through it even if you get stuck.
And if you can't remember a word, don't freeze. Describe it, like calling a refrigerator the cold box for food. That's how you develop flexibility.
Funny you mention that forcing your brain to work around missing words is how you build real fluency.
Let's wrap up with 3 big takeaways. First, translating holds you back. Thinking in English opens doors.
Second, daily practice is the real game changer. It's how your brain gets comfortable with English.
And third, don't aim for perfection. Just keep moving forward, even when it feels awkward.
Here's your next step. Try naming everything around you in English for the next hour. Train your mind to use English naturally.
Share which step you'll try in the comments and let us know what tips you want next. Keep practicing, keep growing, and keep thinking in English. See you next episode.